Hello, everyone. My name is Maddi, and I work as a peer advisor within CST's Office of Academic Advising. Today, I will be demonstrating how you can schedule an appointment to meet with an academic advisor. Let's get started. Students within the College of Science and Technology can schedule an appointment with advising by accessing their TU portal. You will first need to log in using your username and password. When you log in, you will see the homepage and there will be multiple red tabs at the top. We should click on the Student Tools tab, which is where your student dashboard is, as well as your class registration and any academic record. If you scroll down slightly past your student dashboard, there is an appointment system here. This is the system we will use to create an appointment with an academic advisor. We will click Schedule Now, and information will pop up regarding how our Zoom meetings are currently online due to our virtual environment. Firstly, it will ask you what type of appointment you would like. You can choose between a future appointment, which will schedule an appointment for a different date in advance, a same-day appointment, which will schedule an appointment for later that day, a change of major appointment if you plan to switch to a different major within CST, or a progress report, which is typically completed going into your junior year. Today, I will select a future appointment. Next, you will be prompted to select a reason for meeting with an advisor. You can choose between academic planning, virtual appointment, or final semester check. Remember, no matter what option you select, the meeting will be virtual regardless. We will then have to select the date for your desired meeting. I will select 2/27, which is tomorrow. After you select the date, you can choose the academic advisor for your advising team that you are interested in meeting with. If you do not have a typical advisor you like to see or want to see all of the available appointments for that chosen date, I recommend you select any advisor. Click Submit, and then you will be prompted for a comment. This comment should pertain to what you would like to discuss in your meeting and will allow the advisor time to prepare anything specific for your meeting with them. After submitting, you will see the available appointment times for your selected date. If there are no appointments listed or you wish to search for a different day, you can click the Next Date button here. For the 2/17, we see multiple options, however. We can select the 11 o'clock slot. Before it is scheduled, be sure to double check the time and date for your intended meeting. You will finalize the appointment by clicking Schedule Appointment. The appointment will now show in your Upcoming tab. You should be aware that you cannot schedule multiple appointments at a time. If you wish to edit or cancel your appointment, you can click on the appointment and scroll down below until it gives you the option to edit or cancel. So if you're looking to make an appointment with an advisor soon, follow these steps to create an appointment within CST Academic Advising. If a problem arises while you're trying to schedule a meeting or you have any questions, feel free to connect with the CST peer through the virtual front desk or email us at cstpeers@temple.edu. Good luck!